In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow effects in Figma. Shadows are a simple way to add depth, separate elements from the background, and guide attention. We'll walk through using drop shadow and inner shadow so your designs feel polished and intentional. First, open your design in Figma. Choose the element you want to style a frame, a shape, or any layer. With it selected, look to the right-hand panel and find the Effects section. Click the plus icon to add a new effect. Figma will apply a shadow, and you'll see a small sun icon next to it, which opens the controls. Let's fine-tune the drop shadow. The X value moves the shadow horizontally. Positive numbers push it to the right. Negative numbers shift it left. The Y value controls the vertical offset. Positive numbers move the shadow down for a lifted look. Negative numbers move it up, which can suggest light coming from below. Adjust X and Y together to match the direction of your imagined light source. Blur softens the edges of the shadow. A low blur gives a crisp, sharp edge. A higher blur spreads it out for a softer, more natural fall-off. If your shadow looks too harsh or cut out, increase the blur until it feels subtle and believable. Spread changes how much the shadow expands beyond the object's bounds. Increasing spread makes the shadow look larger and denser. Use this carefully. Too much spread can make the shadow feel heavy. Often, a small spread paired with a moderate blur creates a clean, modern look. Color and opacity control the mood and realism. Click the color swatch to choose a neutral gray or a brand color for stylized effects. Lower the opacity to keep things natural. Subtle transparency usually reads better than pure black. For soft elevation, try a darker color with low opacity. For dramatic emphasis, increase opacity slightly, but keep it balanced with blur. For elements that need an inset feel like press buttons, input fields, or card grooves, switch the effect to inner shadow. This places the shadow inside the object's edges, creating depth that recedes inward. The same X, Y, blur, spread, color, and opacity controls apply. Smaller offsets and higher blur often work best here, so the inner edge feels smooth rather than harsh. Once you are happy with the settings, preview the effect at 100% zoom and on different backgrounds. Small adjustments go a long way. With just a few tweaks, your interface will feel more tactile and refined. Thanks for watching.